My dear kids, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope you all are fine. Let's start. Today the date is 18th of April 2020 and the day is Saturday. I'm here to show you an activity on big and small. Things can be categorized into two categories based on their size. I will repeat. Things can be categorized or divided into two categories based on their size. One is called big, another is called small. Big, small. Like we have so many things around us. Are they of same size? No. They are of different sizes. Like here I have two squares. Are they of same size? No. One is big and another is small. Another example is here. Here are two balls. Are they of same size? No. One is small and another is big. Dear kids, now I will show you different objects here. They are of big and small size. Now let's start it. Here are two jars. They are of different sizes. This is small and this is a big jar. Here are different objects. Now we will put the big objects into the big jar and small objects into this small jar. Here is a box and this is a big box. I have same box here, but this is a small box. Likewise, here are two bottles. Are they of same size? No. This is a big bottle, so it will go here. And this is a small bottle. Next, here are two keys. They are same but not of the same size. This is a big key, so it will go here. And this is a small key, so it will go here. I have two clutches here. This is a big clutch, so it will go here into this big jar, and this is a small clutch. Now, last, here are two chalks. Are they of same size? No. This is a big chalk, so it will go here. This is a small chalk, so I will put it here. My dear kids, I hope now you got the concept of big and small. You can do the same activity at your homes with the help of your parents. With different objects, like you have so many toys with you, you can collect them and separate them as per their sizes, like big and small. This was all about big and small. I hope you have got the concept now and may have enjoyed it. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.